Today, I'm making the most delicious and best homemade donut recipe. Once you make these donuts, you'll want to make them again and again. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons instant yeast, 2 tablespoons sugar, a pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons oil, 1 cup warm milk, mix everything together and let it sit for 10 minutes. Then add 2 egg yolks, 2½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 packet of vanilla powder, knead the dough for 8–10 minutes with a little bit of oil. The dough should be soft and elastic. Shape the dough into small balls. Cover them with plastic wrap and let them rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, dip your finger in flour and gently make a hole in the center of each dough ball. Fry the donuts over low to medium heat until golden brown. To coat: 1 tar 2 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon cinnamon powder. Roll the warm donuts in the sugar mixture. Optional, but so good. These donuts are soft, fluffy, and incredibly delicious. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next week with another easy recipe. Have a great time.